Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about a quick way to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone in iOS 26 or later. Experiencing Wi-Fi issues after software update can be rather frustrating, especially when your iPhone suddenly struggles to connect or maintain a stable network. This problem is common after major updates due to software glitches, network conflicts, or outdated settings. But bother not, because I have got you fully covered with some quick fixes. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose Wi-Fi. And then you have to hit the info button located next to the Wi-Fi network. And then you have to tap on forget this device option and confirm it. After that, you have to restart both your Wi-Fi router and your iPhone. And then you have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Hopefully, your iPhone will be able to connect to the Wi-Fi network and your Wi-Fi will return to normal as usual. However, if the problem persists, I will recommend you to reset the network settings on your iPhone because it is exceptionally handy in fixing the network-related glitches. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose General. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, select Reset. And then you have to choose Reset Network Settings option in the menu. Then you have to enter your device passcode to confirm it. After that, you have to restart your iPhone and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. And that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix Wi-Fi not working problem after the iOS 26 software update. Hopefully, these tips have managed to fix the problem for you, and now your iPhone is able to connect and work with Wi-Fi without any hiccups at all. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.